Namaskar, Adab, and a very warm welcome to all of you at the SME Post Wasme Super SME Awards 2016. Super SME Awards 2016 के पहले संस्करण में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. These awards are actually an initiative by the SMEpost.com and Wasme, an initiative to highlight and honor the shining stars of the SME sector. एक पहल है उन लोगों को आगे लाने की जो इस क्षेत्र में न सिर्फ बेहतरीन काम कर रहे हैं बल्कि एसएमई सेक्टर को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, लगातार उसका उत्थान कर रहे हैं. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. And now may I please request the man behind this great initiative, Mr. Raktim Das, to kindly come to the podium and give us a sense of what the awards are all about. Mr.
The entire awards is based on the premise that the SME sector is the growth engine of Indian business and economy. Our nation has probably the second largest number of MSMEs in the world, and we have close to about 5,000 MSME clusters across the country. We all know the contribution of this sector to the manufacturing output is almost 45%. And our belief is that if India has to grow and if India has to achieve double-digit GDP growth, it is not possible without the growth of the Indian MSME sector. And this is the premise on which we thought that we'll start SMEpost.com. And if we look at the entire Indian media landscape, despite the fact that the sector contributes close to about 9% of the Indian GDP, the share of voice of this particular sector, which is probably the most vibrant sector in the entire business and economy of India, the voice that this sector gets in mainstream media is very limited. And this is where we thought that we'll come in and try to be a voice for the entire MSME sector. There are few areas that SMEpost.com focuses on. One, we try to give due voice to this sector. We try and foster best practices for various SMEs across the country. And we also try and celebrate various SME success stories. And this is probably the reason why we came up with the Super SME Awards. We are a very young startup. We just started about 6 months back, and it was a real honor to have the website launched by the Honorable Minister. It was launched on the 7th of January this year. And in just about 6 months' time, we have been able to evoke appreciable traction among various relevant stakeholders. When I say relevant stakeholders, I primarily refer to the entire SME sector. I refer to the people who work for this sector in terms of whether it is the banking industry, whether it is various technology companies, whether it is various credit rating companies or companies who are trying to foster clean energy, who are trying to foster zero effect kind of a culture amongst the entire MSME industry. And if we look at the content structure, content architecture that we have for the website at this point in time, primarily there are three verticals that we sort of try and focus on. One is obviously the news area, which are news that comes from the sector, news which also come in from the larger enterprises who has got a correlation with the entire MSME sector. And then we have news and analysis which come in from the SME sector itself, and there are management consultants, there are technology companies who want to offer various services to SME across the country. Those are the kind of news stories and analysis we sort of carry in the website. And then we are also about success stories. Whether it is success stories of whole economy SMEs, whether it is about new economy startups, whether it is village industries, young entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs. Social media is one area where we have focused. There is aggressive social media activation by the entire SMEpost team. We try and leverage the power of digital media to reach out to the entire sector. Yes, we have always believed that if we need to sort of reach out, distribution is a key factor that needs to be focused on, and we say that we need to leverage the power of digital media, the social media, to reach out to this entire sector. And here we are today to celebrate some of the success stories from across the country, and this is the primary reason, the genesis of instituting the inaugural edition of Super SME Awards. And we have partnered this year with Wasme, and we are thankful to Wasme. We have collaborated and put together a methodology which we feel is inclusive enough to try and cover as much SMEs as possible across the country. And we do believe that as we progress in time, this entire methodology will evolve, and we'll try and cover as many SMEs as possible within the ambit of this property that we have put together. So when we started with this entire Super SME Awards process, we looked at various ways of reaching out to SMEs. As I said, social media is one of the focus areas. So there was a lot of activation on Facebook, Twitter. We did a lot of email campaigns to various SMEs across the country. Then there were some direct mail campaigns which were done to companies and organizations who sort of work with the SMEs. And then there was a lot of research which was done on basis of secondary data which is available. And the entire registration process was a digital platform. What we did is that the entire campaign was a digital campaign, and then we also did the registration through an online process, and this process was primarily hosted on SMEpost.com, and we tried and captured a lot of data which is in alignment with which the ministry is doing. For example, the type of enterprise that we have taken, we tried to sort of correlate as much as possible with the UAM program of the ministry. And then finally, when we went about selecting the various SMEs from across the countries, we looked at various parameters which were top of the order were things like product and service innovation, the kind of contribution the various sector, various companies does to exports in terms of overseas market development, in terms of smart marketing initiatives that various SMEs have taken, in terms of contribution to employment generation, HR practices, environmental responsibility. And then we assign various weightages to each one of these factors, and we sort of put together a statistical model which allowed us to give a score to each one of the SMEs who had sort of nominated themselves. And this is the first year we got about 3,500 nominations from across the country, out of which we shortlisted about 1,200 entries, and most of these entries came in from North India, and then we had representation from the other areas as well. We had about 21% from West, about 8% from East, and about 9% from West. And from manufacturing, we had 82%. Then from services, we had 11%. And then we had startup SMEs also nominating themselves, which was about 7%. And our belief is that all startups are MSMEs. All MSMEs need not necessarily be startups, but all startups are MSMEs. And hence, we also tried to get in as much as representation as possible from the startup community as well. And then on basis of the parameters which I had sort of spoken about in the previous slide, we had assigned a score. And then this score was on a scale of 1 to 10. And then the various SMEs who received a score of greater than equal to 6 was presented to the jury. There were 34 entries which were shortlisted from the 1,200 entries that we have shortlisted, and this was presented to the juries. And the jury then sort of selected the 20 award winners. The jury meeting was held on the 18th of June. And it was a very high-powered panel. We had people from leading media organizations like Aaj, News Nation, Times of India, Hindustan Times, and a lot of television channels. We had people from who were former and current senior bureaucrats with various union and state governments. And we also had professionals from the industry and other civic society organizations. So these are some snapshots from the jury meeting which was held on June 18th. And on basis of this, the entire construct was built, and today, here we are today to celebrate the success stories and honor the shining stars of Indian SME sector who stand out from the peers. Thank you once again for being here with us on this occasion.